Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news, and gossip celebrity news.
The businessman and socialite Leeroy Sedambe has been allegedly accused of leaving his wife of many years for Mihlali and Leeroy, who is an influencer and a content creator. Information reaching Kosi Derikant has it that the receipt showing Leeroy Sedambe had bought furniture for Mihlali and Leeroy has been found by his wife. According to the information, Leeroy Sedambe and Mihlali and Leeroy started the dating affair at the end of February 2022. According to the blogger Mary Jane had found the receipt in her husband's car, which shows that he bought the furniture worth R9600 for Mihlali. What do you think about these allegations, people? Please leave a comment down below and subscribe to our news channel.